Welcome to Susan Best TV. Hey guys, welcome back again to Susan's Kitchen. It's good to see you guys back again. So guys, this is how I made my spinach for all. I call it for all because you can use it for rice, yam, plantain, anything, pounded yam, puree. So that is why I name it spinach for all. Alright guys. So I'm going to be using 1.5 of the spinach. Alright. And I'm going to boil it first. You know spinach is fresh, it's frozen one, but it's fresh one. I'm going to boil it to avoid the running stomach stuff. So these are the meat I'm going to be using. I already boiled that one a little because I want it to be softer than the beef. So now I'm adding the thyme, seasoning cube, and curry powder. I'm going to be adding also ginger powder. Is optional guys. If you want, you like it, you can also try it. It's nice though. Then I'm going to be adding paprika powder too, just a little. Then salt to taste guys. Adding all these things, I'm just going to stir it to make sure all the ingredients go in well, blended well. Then I'm going to boil it again, first without water. That's how I always like to steam my chicken or whatever I want to use. So I want to steam it first without water, then later I'll add water to it. Here also is my onions. So now I'm steaming it without water first. So after some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, then I'm going to add water. While I leave my meat to cook, then here is my blended tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, and crayfish. You can't make vegetable without crayfish. Alright, and I also did let my spices smooth. If you can take a close look, you'll see it's not smooth. So here is my onions. I love much onions in vegetable. If you'll be following my cooking, I love onions. Here's my stockfish. There's pieces stockfish, and I'm still going to be using dry fish. I'm going to remove the skin and the bone because of children. So after here, now I'm going to be using olive oil, not vegetable oil. Some people use red oil, some use vegetable oil, but what I'm using now is bio olive oil, which is natural olive oil. Now I add my onions, my chopped onions. So I'm going to allow the onions to cook for just 3 minutes, not more. And the reason I mix my onions with white and red, I like the look. When you are making your vegetable, I like the look of that red onions. So here is my self-made tomatoes paste. Yeah guys, if you've not seen that video, just scroll down to my channel and you will see the video where I made do my self-made tomato paste. Since I started using it, guys, I don't buy anymore. Like, this is amazing. So now here is my seasoning cube. I'm gonna be adding one seasoning cube. I'm going to be adding paprika powder too. I love paprika. If you know the benefit of paprika, you will love to eat it. I love paprika a lot, which is bell pepper. All right. Now I'm going to put my blended tomatoes, onions, and a crayfish and a fresh pepper. So I'm going to allow it to cook. I'm not going to turn it, just spread it a little. So I will allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes. The reason I don't turn it, guys, because I don't want my food to slap. So when you turn it, I didn't parboil my tomatoes. So when you turn it, it makes some food slap, most especially if it's fresh tomatoes. So here's my stockfish. And here is my dry fish. So now I'm going to stir everything together. I'm stirring the tomatoes with the tin tomatoes, which is the tomatoes paste I added before. So I'm going to stir everything together. Then allow it to cook for some time. Then before I start adding other meats that I've boiled before. Always test your food while you are cooking it to know if the taste is okay. Like now, I'm going to be adding one seasoning cube to it again. Right, then add a little salt to it. Then add my spinach that I boiled. I parboiled the spinach. Now, guys, can you see that look? Can you see the red onions? That is what I want. That's what I was talking about. I love seeing it that way, And I cover it for just 5 minutes. I didn't pour water, as you can see. So I cover it for just 5 minutes for all the water, like there has been a little water in it, like in the vegetable to dry off. Right, like you need to be here and feel the aroma in my kitchen right now. It smells good and it tastes really delicious. So it's ready. Now it's time to serve the food. It's time to dish it, and I want you guys to come and join me. So please, if you also try this method and you like it, do let me know. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, stay safe and remember blessed. Bye.